You can find some helps within Stata using the command help followed by topic names. Let's take a look at the help find for the describe command. Go to the command window, type help describe and press enter. Another window like this would appear. As you can see, it has several different sections. The title section tells you which comment are you looking at and a brief description of what this comment is about. You can also click on the blue text here to open a PDF version of the Stata manual entry for the describe command. The Stata session tells you how to use this command and what to specify. The text in bold are required for a command to work. So in this example, only the word describe is required to tell something about data in memory. You also need to substitute the words shown in italics. So basically varlist means variable names and memory underscore options at the end of the syntax means that you can add one or more of the options shown in the memory underscore options section below. You can open that section by clicking the blue text here. Down below, you can see a few examples of using the command in the examples section. You can copy and run these examples to see how the command works. The help find can be very detailed in describing a command. You are welcome to read it and try out its examples. If it is still not clear, then you can search online for more examples like the websites statalist.org or stackoverflow.com.